Hi, today I come up with Udemy free courses, which are valid for only 2 days or 1 day. So let us go for the first course, NLP Basic Course for Beginner. So in this particular course, you will be learning about natural language processing and how to analyze the text data. This course is created by Code Warriors and the validity is left for only 2 days. Let's go for the next course, Natural Language Processing NLP with BERT model. So this course is free and you can enroll anytime in Udemy. Let's go for the third course, Machine Learning from Basic to Advanced. You will be learning how to create the machine learning models in Python. This course is also created by the Code Warriors. So the validity is left for only 2 days. Let us go for the next course, Logistic Regression Practical Case Study. So in this course, you will be learning about the cancer detection using logistic regression. It's a free course. You can enroll anytime. Let us go for the next course, Complete Photography Masterclass, 4 courses in one. So in this particular course, you will be learning the basic concepts of photography, night photography, and HDR photos. You'll be learning about Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Photoshop. The validity is left for only 1 day. Let's go for the next course, ethical hacking. So in this course, you will be learning about the latest techniques of ethical hacking. So if you are interested, you can enroll for this course. Validity is left for only 1 day. Let us go for the next one, Angular JS Complete Guide. In this course, you will be learning about how you will be building the awesome web apps using AngularJS. The validity is left for only 1 day. Next is Bootstrap 4 Ultimate course. In this course, you will be able to build a web page or a website. So, and the validity is left for only 1 day. Let us go for next course. Android programming with Kotlin for beginners. If you are very interested or if you are a beginner in Android, so this course is for you. You can enroll it for free. Let us go for the next course, professional video streaming using OBS Studio. So many of the people or a who are very much interested in uploading videos in YouTube, then this particular course is for you. The OBS Studio, you can enroll for this course and you can learn how to record a video, how to work with the OBS Studio. Okay, that's all for today, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel 3D Multimedia. Thank you. Bye bye.